So what kind of man are you looking for? Wait,
how
old is your daughter?
She's 9 months.
So where's her father? What's going on with you guys?
He's in the hospital, so yeah, he's very ill, so I'm looking for like a stepfather.
Wait, so you broke up with him while he's in the hospital?
No, I didn't break up with him.
Were y'all not together when he went to the hospital?
Yeah, we're still together.
Wait, okay.
I'm looking for like, just in case. A stepfather just in case.
Just in case if he passes away?
Right.
Are you serious?
Yes, Kendra. You have to have one in the chamber, Kendra. Come on now.
Wait, shouldn't you be holding him down? Why is he in the hospital?
I can't go to the hospital because it's like, all the hospitals are shut down.
Okay, but shouldn't you be waiting to see, like, is it not looking good?
It's not looking good.
Are you a comedian?
No, Kendra, I'm not a comedian. I'm serious.
This is serious.
I'm serious. We have a type of relationship that's like, we're very realistic. My husband is much older than me as well.
How old is your husband?
He's 65. He'll be 66 in a month or less, a little bit less than a month.
How old are you?
32.
Well, I hope he survives, and I hope he
too.
And then I hope he divorces your ass, because I hope he survives and then leaves you, because any wife of his that's looking for the guy while he's still in the hospital is
I'm a really good wife to him, though.
You're a really good wife as you're looking for a person while he's still in the hospital bed. This is crazy. But girl, hey, do you?
Okay.
All right.
I just want to give my take on this woman who's trying to leave her husband to find another man, a stepdaddy to take care of her and her baby. So the woman goes to a female dating coach telling her that she's looking for a man. That's why in the beginning of the video, the coach said, what kind of man you're looking for? She was thinking to find another man because her current man was in the hospital. Now, she was looking for a stepdaddy, a stepfather. So she was doing this while her current husband was in the hospital. Now, the average life expectancy for a man is between at least the ages of 70. It's like 70, 71, 72. So the guy is 65 going 66. So really, he doesn't. All these other young women who are getting with these older men, they know they're gonna die. So that man thinking, oh yeah, my young wife's gonna be faithful to me. But in reality, they've already prepared already. She expressed this out in the open. See, she didn't have to do that. Most women keep it secret. What makes it worse is that we are already in Corona season. So she don't see nothing she doing is wrong. She can only think about finding a guy just in case right now. Because if he passes away, she can just immediately swing to that next guy. So right now, her focus is not about love. It's not about him. It's all about survival. So that she and the baby can survive. So that's what she's thinking, So she wants someone to be there to raise her baby and take care of her. Right now, things are bad. And just remember, the coronavirus is out here, so it probably will be hard on her now and in the future for her and the baby. So you can still have a woman be good to you even if she don't love you. That's what you gotta see. Remember that, man. Survival. It's all about survival. What they do is they be good to you, and then when they realize that, oh yeah, I could take him for all the money he got, now let me divorce him and take half, they stay in the marriage for a while. and actually build and actually think, and then they get half of the money that you got, and then move on to another man and get married again. You know, it's kind of shameful, you know, especially, you know, if you do this online. It was actually on a live. He's probably gonna be like, could you just wait for me to die first? Don't ever expect from a woman for her to wait for you to die first. In a man's mind, you know, you should wait for me to die first. But that's not how it is for a woman. She's thinking only about survival. Her family and friends, his family and friends might be seeing this. They probably think, man, you know, you should have never done this in the open. You should have never done this in the public. Because right now, everybody's looking at you funny. She said she was a good wife. Now, let me show you this right now. You see? Being a good wife doesn't mean that you love the person. You see what I mean? Being a good wife could just mean, well, I just come home and I just wash the dishes, I take care of everything, I do everything I'm supposed to do. They could do this. They don't really need to love you. This is women's nature. So this is the Balanced Man channel. Stay tuned for more content. This is just my take on things, my views on things. See you next time.